Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will work together on tutorial number 2. All the informations needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video. So let's get started. We click File, we click New, we select Part in the menu, click OK. We put the name of the part, Tutorial 02, click OK. We select the planes behind them, insert, body, also, properties, feature properties, rename the body, insert, body, also, define a work object. Click Sketch, click the plane that we want to work on, and now we're going to construct the outer shape of our design. So we select circle, we construct the first circle in the middle, we select constraint, we constrain the circle, diameter 100, and we construct the lateral circle, we select circle, we select the lateral, we select horizontal line. As you can see, when we want to select horizontal line, there is an indication with a long pointed line. We click here, construct the circle, we constrain the circle. The outer circle has a diameter of 15. Now we need to constrain the circle from the middle of the circle to the vertical axis to put a dimension. This dimension is 115 divided by 2. You can do it like this in the menu, it works. You click OK. Now we select the option mirror, we select the circle, and we select vertical axis. As you can see, we did a mirror. Now we have to construct the outer circles for our design. So we select circle. We construct firstly a random circle. There is no need to put it exactly here. In order for us to make tangent this circle to these two circles, we have to select this circle. By holding Ctrl, we select the second circle. They are both orange, so they are both selected. Now we go to this option, constraints defined in dialog box. We click it, and here we have the option to make it tangent. So we click tangent. Okay. We do the same thing with the second circle. We select our circle. By holding Ctrl, we select the second circle. We go to this option. We click it, and we select tangency. We click OK. And now we need to put the dimension of our circle. So this dimension has a radius of 35. So we go to this option, select radius, select 35, we click OK. And in order for us to make the construction faster, we're gonna do it with mirror. So we're gonna select the circle, click option mirror, then click horizontal, and we did opposite circle. Now by holding Ctrl, we select both of the circles. They are orange, so they are selected. We click mirror again, and now we select vertical. Now we're gonna double click quick trim, and we're gonna delete theoretically what we don't need from our constructions. As you can see, now we have the design. Now we're gonna delete this, and this. So now we have the main design of our part. We click Exit Workbench, We click Pad, and we click on the sketch. We give a dimension 20 millimeters, and we click OK. So this is how we did the 3D for our sketch. Now we need to do the holes inside the 3D. So we're gonna click Insert, Body, define this body, click Sketch, click on the plane to construct. We're gonna select this option, Low Light, in order for us not to be able to click on the background design, but we can still see it as a reference. As you can see, we cannot click it. And now we're gonna construct the holes. We have 3 holes, 2 lateral and 1 in the middle. So we click Circle. We select the middle of our axis system. We constrain the circle. This circle has a diameter of 50 millimeters. So we're gonna select the measurement. We're gonna go in this option menu, select diameter, 50. Okay. Now we're going to construct the lateral circle. We're going to constrain the circle with a diameter of 25. And now we're going to position the circle on our sketch by clicking the middle point of the circle and the vertical axis. This measurement should be 115 divided by 2. We click OK. And now we select mirror. We select the circle. And we select again the vertical axis. So we did the same circle on the opposite side. Select this option, exit workbench, to exit our sketch design. Now we select Pad again. We select our sketch. In order for us to remove the material from the first design, we need to make the second design, the holes, to be bigger than our initial one. So we're gonna click More. Here we're gonna go at 25 millimeters. We click Preview. As you can see, now it's bigger. And here we can click like as much as you want to pass the first 3D design. Click Preview. So the second design is bigger than the first one, but it's okay. We click OK. Now we define tutorial 0 tone. We right click body number 3, that is our original design. We go to this option and we click Add. We click OK. So we added our initial design to tutorial 02, where it's our workplace. And now we want to remove this material from this material. So we define again tutorial 02 by right clicking, clicking Define. So now we actually define tutorial 02, so we are working here. Now we're gonna right click body number 4, go to this option, click Remove, and click OK. So as you can see, we removed the material from our original design. So this is the construction for today. It's a simple construction, not something very difficult. It's for beginners. We can click on isometric view to arrange it on a nice order. We're gonna click tutorial 02. We're gonna select here a nice color. If you guys liked this design, you can use it for practice. If you don't understand something, you can ask me by commenting in the video. So this is for today. We see each other next time. Bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.